Hello everyone, thanks for staying so long. I was anticipating that this was going to get some session, so I made a very short presentation, nice pictures, not very technical, so please stay so that we can share some ideas. Our main theme as Oracle about the cloud is that it enables digital disruption. Where is the control? What do you mean by how does it work? Okay. So, what do you mean by digital disruption? Digital disruption has been some time now. It's the notion of a new technology bringing together to ideas, technologies into an existing status quo, where something suddenly changes and we get new businesses, new ideas, and new business models. This notion was initiated 20 years back by a professor in Harvard Business School, and 20 years now, in 2015, this notion has become a buzzword about digital disruption. Let me give you something wrong with it. Some examples of what disruption is meaning. Let's see at the record interface has been replaced practically by digital downloads. iTunes has kind of stuff. We see web publishing replacing practically postal services and all the magazines and all the traditional media. Let's say postal services are being replaced by email. Photo film is being replaced by digital camera, and last but not least, money being replaced by digital currency. Actually today I read on the news that NASDAQ is actually testing the use of Bitcoin for buying and selling shares. So we're expecting something big to happen. So the lesson here is that no one is really immune to digital disruption. I'll now give you another nice example of digital disruption that is not so well known, but it also shows what we mean by digital disruption at Oracle. This is a client of ours. This is the National Australian Bank. It's the fourth digital bank, bank in Australia. They started, of course, using traditional ways. This is a check, traditional transactions, nothing new here. It was a very successful business, but they were very quick to embrace new technologies. So what they did a couple of years back, this is not today, it's 2015, they used big data on a real-time fashion using analytics, and they gave the opportunity to their clients to track their expenditure and compare their transactions with other users of the bank, other customers of theirs, with the same geographic characteristics. For example, a user could see on real time whether he was spending too much, for example, on petrol in comparison with other users of the bank records. This was done using our technology. This is before cloud became the real fashion it is today, but this is a good example of what we mean by digital disruption. The lesson from this example is that even though a company can be for many years in business, it can embrace change and become a digital disruption leader, like nothing. Now, what do you mean by digital? To explain disruption, what do you mean by digital? Digital services is practically all those services that end customers have been enjoying for many years, from cloud services like Gmail, Amazon, Yahoo, where they get applications practically all around the clock. They are available anytime, anywhere, in a flawless fashion, in a real-time fashion, They are very personalized. They get it on multiple devices in the way they want it. So these experiences create expectations in our employees, in our businesses, in our citizens as governments. So this is, let's say, the challenge that our customers are facing for becoming digital. Now, we see the cloud as a, let's say, the opportunity for doing digital businesses. We are imagining companies who embrace the cloud and the digital disruptions, not to see themselves as traditional companies, but they fundamentally change their role to provide IT services on top of their traditional data, like, for example, Apple did with iTunes. They sell the hardware, but they also sell the data, the music behind it. It is supported by a common integration framework, a consistent data model, and a unified access control and AI. Now, 5 reasons to discuss the cloud. Of course, is simplifying IT, the engineering, the economics of IT spending by CIOs, accelerating and optimizing your business processes, driving innovation, and enjoying world-class security and compliance. In addition to that, we should be looking at points 3, 4, and 6, which is a new one, for clients who should be, let's say, embracing the second generation service-oriented architectures that are cloud-based and support hybrid cloud deployments. Oracle has the most complete and most integrated cloud anywhere. Our cloud solutions are deployable anywhere in an on-premise and private cloud and also the public cloud, with the abilities to move your workloads between the two. Why Oracle is different? We are able to deliver an SOA architecture, which has been traditionally on-premise, and now we have moved into the cloud. We also have integrated best-class integration on the cloud. We spent 20 to 30 billion USD the last 5 years doing that. We provide a true hybrid cloud, and we also provide, meaning that all your applications that use Oracle databases can just run using databases that are already deployed in the cloud. And also, it can support you with elastic pricing models and usage models. You can get your profitability in markets. In a nutshell, our cloud services are deployed in 19 data centers around the world. We have customers from 200 countries. We are not very well known as a SaaS provider, but we are number 2 in the world. Our software as a service applications have been seeing tremendous success recently. And other figures of interest might be, we have 62 million users on our cloud platforms, which perform 23 billion transactions a day. And of course, 19 out of our 20 top cloud providers run on Oracle. Oracle enables the digital platform on the most complete cloud that any vendor can provide. As said before, a key prerequisite is to have a cloud deployment choices across all digital capabilities, either that be public, private, or hybrid. The Oracle Cloud is complete, modern, flexible, and secure, and it's ready for business. We are in a unique position to provide a full suite of integrated enterprise-grade applications, enriched with social capabilities, and embedded with BI, with easy access to mobile devices. These are all called as soon as the customer goes to the Oracle Cloud. Applications, which are the SaaS cloud enabled. We all have applications for HR, CRM, customer experience, ERP, enterprise, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to go through the whole list. We provide PaaS, database, Java as a service, security identity as a service, infrastructure as a service, and so on. We offer these in a private cloud, in a public cloud, and of course, in a hybrid cloud. The Oracle Cloud practically provides a digital business platform where you can have your unified digital business platform in the cloud or as you call it on-premise. And it's B2B already business plan. We support all these that you see there, big data, Internet of Things, social, mobile, and so on and so forth. I'll be happy to talk to you during lunch. And finishing, I just want to quote Charles Darwin, that it's not the strongest of the species that survive, not the most intelligent, but the one that responds to change. And businesses and organizations that respond to change are the ones that are about to survive in the next years and decades. Thank you very much.